What's the meaning of costume party? Costume party. Costume party.
Costume party. Costume party. A costume party is an event where guests dress up in costumes, often based on a specific theme or period. The purpose of a costume party is for guests to have fun and be creative by dressing up as someone or something else. Costume parties can range from casual gatherings among friends to formal events with elaborate costumes and decorations. The result of a costume party is a festive and lively atmosphere, where guests can socialize and enjoy the unique and imaginative costumes displayed by others.